Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I know I'm looking crazy today, but today I decided to film a get ready with me. I wanted to show you guys like the makeup routine that I normally do for like if I'm gonna go out somewhere or whatever. So I was not planning on doing this, so I had already did my hair. It's supposed to be like a hair slash makeup slash outfit get ready with me, but I also kind of wanted to take pictures today, so we'll see. We're gonna see where the wind blows because I don't really know. I took out my passion twist. I had passion twist in my hair, so now this is just my natural hair. If you guys want to see a natural hair update or any type of video on my natural hair or styling, like this video because I will do it for you guys. So my hair is just like in this bun thing. I just kind of like use bobby pins and just pressed up and on top of my head, a scoop ball head at. First things first, I'm gonna start my eyebrows. I am gonna do them off camera and I will be right back. I'm gonna be doing another updated eyebrow tutorial for this year, so boom. Okay, bet per you see the motherfucking eyebrows, period. Eyebrows are done, so I'm gonna go straight into my face base. I really hate this primer, so I don't know why I'm showing it to you guys, but I am gonna be trying the Milk Grip Primer. I forgot what it's called, but I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. I'm gonna try this new primer. Right now I'm just using a NYX primer, Angel Veil one. It doesn't do anything, like it really doesn't hold not a lick of makeup. I don't know what its purpose serves. Maybe as a moisturizer, I don't know. So what I like to do for my setting powder, like before I put any creams on my face or any concealers on my face, I'll just use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, but I'll mix it with the Makeup Revolution setting powder in the shade Banana Deep. I just use my Real Techniques Face Expert brush and just like a little bit, pack a little bit on the brush and kind of tap off the excess in the cap, and I just kind of like put it in all the T-zone areas. So all the areas that I like get really oily in is where I'll pack on the product, so that I don't get as oily or like sweaty throughout the day. I live in Florida, so it's hot. It's hot as hell. So for my face, and I know I'm looking like a White Walker, for my face I like to use the Beautiful Bronze Concealer in the shade, I just said the shade. I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Love, 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 love this concealer for my face. I've been using it for my face like for years now, and I just don't see any other shade working for me. I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger. As you guys know, I don't wear foundation, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this product with my finger underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my eyelids. And maybe I might also put it above my top lip. It just depends if I'm feeling kind of jazzy or not. I know I be looking crazy as hell when I put this concealer on my face. So what I like to do is take my Fit Me concealer in the shade 40 Caramel, and I just put a little bit like towards the inner corner of my eye. Just put a little bit towards there, a little bit in the middle of my lip. Then I'll take a darker Fit Me concealer. This is going to be in the shade 65 Cat Coffee, and I just like put this in the middle of my eye, kind of smudging into the first color that we placed down, and then also on the bridge of my nose, and then on top of my eyelids. So now I learned this tip as far as to make sure that your face is like, or the concealer is like dried down or like melted into your skin more. I learned this tip to let your concealer set instead of like going in and like blurring it out, and then also to spray like a setting spray on your face. This is a mister bottle that I got from Amazon for like $8, I think. I'll link it down below for you guys, but it's like normally meant for like hair, natural hair or whatever. I just put Mario Badescu rose water spray in here, and it's great because it refreshes your skin as far as like before you put your concealer. It's gonna refresh your skin, so it feels amazing. I have my washed Beauty Blender sponge right here on hand for when we go in and blend it out, but I'm just gonna continue to let it sit for some more before we go in. All right, you guys, so now I'm gonna just take my sponge. I let this sit for like, so I've been letting the concealer sit for a minute, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. It should also be easier to blend now that you like, because of this tip of like letting it sit for a minute. Whoop, baby, you see the coverage on that? Like, the concealer does not move, and it's like on your face and in your skin when you let it sit. It don't move. So now I'm just gonna take my little powder concoction and blow off excess. So you want to dip the sponge in there and then blow off like any excess, and then make your little ugly face, chop, and then set your concealer. Now that I have set those areas, I'm just gonna take some excess concealer off of the back of my hand, so the same shade that I use for my face, and I'm just gonna like blend it into my eyelids really quick, because now I'm getting ready to apply my eyeshadow. I do a very basic eyeshadow look on the daily, or whenever I take pictures. It's always a neutral tone out of my the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's. So I'm just gonna take like a regular like little flat brush, little eyeshadow flat brush, go into my Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's. I'm just gonna take this brown shade here, this brown shade called Kufuru at the top in the middle, and mix it with Yodit and just kind of put it on my eyelid. And it's like my perfect like skin shade, basically. Just gonna mix both of them. After I do that, I always just take Yodit, which is like this creamy brown color at the top left, and I just kind of like blend out the crease at the top just a little bit, just so that it's not too dark looking or too girl. So what's the stitch? I can already tell this is gonna be cute when I'm done. Okay, so I know y'all are looking at my face right now and how pale my face is. So what I do to like bring back the what I do to bring back like the darkness and like the chocolatiness of my skin, I just like to put on a bronzer, and this is the Sunstalker bronzer from Fenty Beauty, the Mocha Mommy shade. And I don't even know why I had to look, because this is literally all I use all the time. As you can see, I've hit pan. I'm gonna go ahead and use my little BH Cosmetics brush. It looks like this, like a tapered brush. I beat that thing up. I just set, or just kind of put it in the crease of my face. And then I just kind of like also put it on like the jawbone area as well, so that like everything looks kind of chiseled and not too you know, crazy looking. I'm just gonna take off my little scarf and reveal my 5 head, because I gotta get to my, you know, I gotta bronze this part of my head too. So child, my hair has been sitting under this scarf. My edges are nice and, you know, laid or whatever. Just going to blend out this line here, then I'm gonna put the bronzer on. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my bronzer to my forehead. So now that I'm all bronzed up, I'm just gonna go ahead and like dust off all the excess powder that's like underneath my eyes and stuff. And I like dust and apply at the same time. So I'm gonna be applying the Coco Naughty powder from Fenty Beauty, the bronzer, with this little powder brush. And I'm just gonna like kind of pat and like dust off at the same time. And I'm gonna be like putting on a blush. I'm gonna take the Warrior 2 palette and the shade Jamada right here, which is this little red tone color right here. Another tapered brush, but I use it only for blush. And I'm just gonna smile. I also like to apply blush to my forehead and my chin. I don't know why I do, but I just do. Now I'm gonna go into highlighting, and I just like to take my Ruby Kisses Strobe Light Highlighter in the shade Glowing. Y'all already know I will never part from this highlighter. Like, it's amazing. And I just like use my little taper. It's like a small tapered brush from Real Techniques. It's the setting brush, and I just apply, and then I kind of like blend out with my finger just a little bit, because I know it can be a bit streaky looking, like a little bit too stark, harsh to look at if I don't blend it out. So I always blend out with like my finger or another brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying highlight to my cheekbones, and to my forehead and the top of my lip. I just like to take my powder brush and just blend out everything, because I don't like to have a harsh amount of like highlight on my skin. I just always blend it out. My skin looks really, really good. Okay, so from here I just like to go in and like make some like fake beauty marks. I do this all the time, and I just take my little Lash Sensational mascara. Very ghetto. I just take my mascara and I just like take the pencil that I use for my eyebrows, and I just kind of poke the tip of the mascara, and then I just kind of like make beauty marks. And I just did one on my nose right there, on the side of my face. My face is like, this is the look, you guys, basically, without setting. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the rose water, and then use my little fan that I have. I'm gonna go put on some lashes, but I'm gonna show you guys where the lashes came from. These are the New Cali eyelashes multi-pack from Amazon. My roommate gave me these, so shout out to her. These are the eyelashes that I typically wear. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on, and I'll be right back. Hold on, we gotta put some lip liner on or something. I'm just taking the eyebrow pencil that I used, and this is the Wet n Wild Kohl Collection eyeliner, and it's in the shade Simma Brown. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put on my little eyelashes off camera, and I'll be right back. These are the lashes on. Super cute. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my fit. All right, you guys, so this is the fit. It's this really cute little blue two-piece that I got from the mall. Hold on, cause y'all see that? It's giving very much slit, very much thigh. So I'm just gonna be taking pictures of this outfit, so that's what y'all saw for the thumbnail, period. This is what the fit looks like. This is what the back looks like. You see me, y'all. I am on my period. I'm so bloated right now, but it is what it is. I look cute, and I just look really, really good, and I just wanted to get dressed and feel cute and take my little pictures so I could be more consistent on IG. So y'all don't forget to follow me. I will leave the mall, the boutique that I got this from, in the mall. If you live in Orlando or Florida or whatever, I got this from the mall of Millennia, and this was the boutique called Edge. Very pretty two-piece. It's just really revealing. I did not think it was gonna have this much of a slit, but my body type, it definitely does. I feel like Princess Tiana. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my little pictures so I can post on Instagram. But thank you guys so much for watching this Get Ready With Me all the way through. I wanted to be cute, show you guys what I do for, like, you know, makeup looks when I take pictures and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the outfit as well. Like I said, if y'all want more natural hair stuff, I will do it for you guys. Just comment what you guys want to see. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.